So I'm trying to find some good products that are cheap because I'm gonna tell y'all how I feel about expensive hair products. Like, I just don't feel like they're worth it. So I have some things in my hand. I don't know what to get, and I want like a big wide tooth comb, but I can't find one. So I found this little pick comb. I got some cheap satin rollers. I'm trying to decide some products. I don't know. We're gonna do like a twist out. So we're gonna figure this out. We're gonna go around. Hold on. Let's go tour them now. So I got some stuff, guys. Hopefully this stuff works. I got $20-something worth of product because that's all I had, because that was gift money that I used. So if this stuff don't work, I'm gonna cry. But I got my bag. We're gonna see how this twist out go, because y'all know we need some love. We need some love. So yeah, we're gonna do that. We're gonna figure this out. I'm gonna show you guys what I got when I get home. I mean, I could show you now. I'm gonna show you when you get home. We're gonna figure it out later. So we're gonna go. I'll see you when we get home. Deuces. Watching the sun tonight. So this is the stuff that I got from the store. $20 literally. So I got, these are actually not what the price were. Mad about that. They were like $2 and something. So I was mad that they put the wrong stickers on the tag, but whatever. You know how they be, y'all. So got the comb so I can have more control a little bit of each section, I would say. Then I got the rollers. They're 14 packs. They're 14 packs each, so that should be enough. Then I got the carrot tea tree oil therapy. I'm gonna use that. Then I have the Olive Miracle leave-in conditioner. Then I also just got this African Pine Moisture Miracle, the curling cream. So we're gonna try these out, and also I'm just gonna co-wash because I washed my hair and deep conditioned last week. I'm gonna use this for my ends to get my ends curly. Then I'm gonna use this 3-minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner. It's only 3 minutes, so you know why not. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And my hair looks a mess right now, so I'm about to go wash it real quick, and I'll be back when it comes to using these beautiful things. So this is my hair currently. My curls are actually starting to come out. Like, my hair never like was this curly. It's dark. It's really dark. That's super dark. Why is it so dark? Let me fix that a little bit. But yeah, it's never been this curly, I would say, which is kind of exciting. So that's kind of where my hair is at the moment. It's a little flattened a little bit because, but nice and, see some of that. Okay, guys. I kind of have to lean like this because my chair is higher than the stand. But I have my hair. We're gonna part it in 4 sections. I'm thinking, do I want? So I'm gonna take this water since it got dried out a little bit. Oh, I'm watching Keep It Up with the Kardashians. Okay, so I wet it a little bit. And I love this comb. It helps you really get into the knit and grits. I'm going to put the leave-in conditioner in after I wetted everything. Now I put the residential area, and it's oil in it. Really recognize it? Ooh, I put too much. It's a weird place because right up the street. It's not far. It's not far, but we don't know anyone that lives there. I'm gonna take that comb. Oh, fuck. What's up? There's spiders. How do I get back over there? There's a big window. What do we do? Did she see you? I don't know. I just heard somebody say something. Ooh. What's her cleanup? Why are you guys so in my business? You guys are literally on my... Whose house is this? I'm not literally dating anybody. But we don't know, because we don't know anything about you. Ooh. Anyways, sorry, I got into the drama. All right, now I'm gonna split that in half a little bit. That was crazy. Okay. Okay. So now we're going to put this one in it, the curling cream, just a little bit, because you already have enough product in here. Change the statistics. The more you know. We're gonna get the roots too, because you don't want the roots to be right. What do you think you're doing? Oh, just keep laying out. Do you think it's funny? What are you doing here? I'm having a meeting. With who? For food. About what? What does it matter? Why are you guys so in my business? I'll put some gel in it too. Or like expose them. Okay. We're all different. So you see those twists, nice and juicy. And my well-being and protecting me and just me as a person. So we got the other pack of rollers. As you see, this is what we're doing. The roller. Wow, this looks unbelievable. Yeah, it was great, right? So much better. Times better. And you just roll it up a little bit. I've done my due diligence on us. So overall, a sense of escapism is important to maintain as it draws viewers in and keeps them tuned in. So once I'm finished rolling these, I'm going to put a bag and sit under the dryer for a little bit and then take the bag off and let it dry, because I think I have to go somewhere tomorrow and my hair doesn't like to dry overnight. I don't know how some of you guys do it. I can't do it too much. But I really want this moisture to lock in, so I'm just sitting under the dryer with the plastic bag over my head, let it soak in so the pores can open up and all the moisture can be soaked into the hair strands, and then yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna take all these rollers out, because when we take the rollers out, oops, I took the roller out the wrong way. Wow, okay. We're gonna just take it and like go like that, and boom, you got yourself a little curl there. You see that? That's what you kind of want. We're gonna take some of this oil. We're gonna put it in our hands. We're gonna take our twist out. Look how pretty that is. Like that. And we're just gonna unravel some of the twists. Look at that. Just gonna go in like that. My hair feels really good. So far, I like these products better than like all this Shea Moisture foolishness, the hype over the expensive products. sometimes these people just overprice things for no reason. Really, it's the name you're buying. Oh, it's Shea Moisture. Doesn't mean they're any good to me, because honestly, I don't like a lot of their stuff from Shea Moisture. Look how pretty that is. Again, so that's how I take my curls down. So, I'll be right back. Yo, I'm telling y'all to save y'all's money, cause I say save y'all's money, cause I don't know y'all if y'all can tell, but the curls are really pretty. Next time I'll just put, because I started, the curls in the back are better than the curls in the front because I put the gel on it. I wasn't sure if the gel will work with the hair products, but it does. So next time I know, because look at these curls. Then the ones in the front, because the ends, the ends aren't as curly or as defined, I would say. They're curly, but the curls in the back are a little bit more defined because I did put the gel on the ends, at least. But the curls are still cute. Like the fro, it's a curly fro, which I think is really cute. So I'm gonna go mess with it. Y'all really can't see it, which is frustrating me. So this is the curly fro part, but you see how like the curls in the back. I'm gonna put gel on it next time. I used the Extreme Wetline Gel, which is a favorite. I don't like Eco Styler, it never worked for me. I wasn't sure. I just tested it on the back to see if it would go with these products, and I love how moisturized and soft my hair feels. My hair hasn't felt like this good in a long time because I've been using Shea Moisture, Miel Organic, and all the other stuff that's not worth the price. I feel like I'm just going to go back to what I was using when I was a kid, literally the ghetto stuff, okay? What, the African American, what you be seeing in African American hair stores or whatever, the stuff that's like $5 or whatnot, because that stuff works better. That stuff honestly works better, in my opinion. My hair feels a lot softer, and it's moisturized. I don't have a problem. But when I was using the other stuff, literally with all the products that are high end, and I hate that new line. I feel like ever since the owner switched for Shea Moisture, because I used to like the hibiscus line a lot, but ever since they switched the owner, it hasn't been the same to me, in my opinion. It hasn't been working the same. But look, it's like you have enough product in it. It doesn't feel like it has product in it, which I like, and it's soft and it's movement. It has movement. But when I use the other stuff, it's either heavy or my hair dries out, and it's brittle and it feels like twigs and just ungodly. So I like this. So I'm gonna go play with it some more, and I'll be right back with the final look. And my hair feels alive finally. I haven't felt like this good since forever. So stick with your low end priced things, because I feel like they have more value than the other ones that are high end. I think that you're just playing for the name brands. That's all you're doing, is paying for the name brands. So this is a cute curly fro, y'all. I'm loving it. I'm gonna go pick it out, make it cuter, and we're gonna put some makeup on and make it look snatched. So we'll be right back.